Hey, what's up guys? We are back again dito sa aming channel. So this time, fix ko sa inyo yung ating ginawang installation ng fix corner window na may sliding. So bali, this part right here is fixed po siya. And then yung sa loob na bahagi is nakaslide po. Bali yung main materials natin dito is 798 na sliding window, and then nag-framing tayo ng 1x4 na rectangular tube. And then yung glass na gamit natin is 1/4 dark gray. So konting linis na lang to guys. May mga marka po ng mga sealant. So yung process of installation nito is una natin kinabit yung perimeter frame na 1x4. Then saka natin nilagay yung 798 na sliding window. Ayan. Pasok tayo guys, medyo mahirap. So yan po yung itsura niya sa loob na bahagi nitong corner window. Bali yung kabuuang sukat nito is 59.5, and then yung width niya from here to here is 52.5, and then this one right here is 21 inches. So yung ginamit nating bali, advice nga pala ng may-ari na huwag nang lagyan ng chovular or framing this part right here. So kumbaga dapat walang makitang anumang poste or naka-vertical sa parting ito. So naglagay tayo dito ng customized na bumper. Ayan, bali rubber po yan. Tinornilyo natin dito guys para hindi po siya malaglag. At the same time, yung purpose nito is para hindi po tatama itong ating crescent lock. Ayan, kung napapansin niyo po, may gap po siya. So there's no way na tatama po yan sa glass. Ayan. So good thing about the 798 series is once nakalock po yan, and then tama po yung pagkakahati or pagkakaputol ng ating mga top bottom. So there's no way na gagalaw po yung ating mga sliding panel. And then yung ginamit nating panggitna is this is the interlocker na 798. Then we just cover it this one. Kung napapansin niyo po, kinobera natin yan ang 1x1 angular, and then niribits natin, tsaka tayo naglagay ng silicone sealant. So mas mataas po ito compare sa mga glass panel. Taas po siya ng almost 3/8 yung haba nito compare po sa sliding panel. Ayan. So rate my workmanship. Comment down below kung tama ba yung ating ginawang option sa fixed na B-window or corner window with sliding panel na 798. So ipapalo na lang natin yung sliding screen po nito guys. Yan. So far smooth naman po yung ayan, kung i-slide mo siya, smooth naman. If you compare this one sa traditional, medyo magalaw po yung traditional. This one is may konting galaw, but not as much as the traditional series. So that's it guys. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please do subscribe, and then palike and share na rin po nitong aming video. So this has been Pong's Work. See you again next time. Bye bye. God bless everyone.